Hello students. So today we are going to study the next form of energy, that is sound energy. Sound energy is produced when something vibrates. So it helps us to hear. Sound energy will help us to hear. And for this we have our ears. Our ear has the ability to recognize and differentiate between different types of sound. So we are able to hear with the help of our ears, and the sound energy that we get is because when something in the air, in the atmosphere, it vibrates. And our ear has the ability to recognize different types of sound that has been generated. For example, we are able to hear, we can differentiate the sound between the drum beats and between a harmonium that is being played. So we are able to recognize different types of sound. The next topic is law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed. So we cannot create any energy. These all are energy. We cannot create it. And we cannot destroy also any energy. So all this energy, the different types of energy that we have, we cannot create it. There is always a something source which will form the energy, but we cannot create it by ourselves, and we cannot destroy also. We cannot destroy all this energy. But energy, it gets converted from one form to other. The energy, it can get converted from one form to the other form. For example, when we use an electrical energy to light a bulb, the electrical energy does not get destroyed. What it will we do? We will get from the electrical energy, from the bulb, we will get heat and light. So you can see here in the diagram where electricity is getting converted to light energy and heat energy. But the electricity is not getting destroyed. It is converted to a different form of energy. So this is what the law of conservation of energy says, that energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed.